Welcome to the mesmerizing world of ocean creatures. Today, we're diving deep into the mysteries of one of the ocean's gentle giants, the whale shark. Get ready to uncover 20 jaw-dropping facts about these magnificent beings that will leave you in awe. Let's plunge into the depths. Fact 1. The gentle giants of the sea. Despite their name, whale sharks are not whales but the largest fish in the ocean. These gentle giants can grow up to 60 feet in length and weigh as much as 40 tons, making them true titans of the deep. Their massive size is one of the reasons they have fascinated humans for centuries. Imagine a fish as long as a bus swimming gracefully through the ocean. Yet, despite their intimidating size, these creatures are incredibly docile and pose no threat to humans. They're more likely to ignore a diver than to engage with one. Their immense bodies move through the water with a fluidity that belies their size, a testament to the wonder of marine biology. Fact 2. Filter feeders. Unlike their more ferocious cousins, whale sharks are filter feeders. They swim with their mouths wide open, filtering out plankton, krill, and small fish from the water. Watching them feed is like witnessing a ballet of nature. They have a unique method of feeding called ram filtration, where they continuously swim forward with their mouths open, filtering water through their gills. Another method, active suction feeding, involves them sucking in water to capture their food. This fascinating feeding behavior allows them to consume up to 2,000 pounds of plankton each day. Their gills are equipped with spongy tissue that traps food particles while expelling water, making their feeding process highly efficient. Fact 3. Surface swimmers. Whale sharks often swim close to the ocean's surface, making them a common sight for lucky snorkelers and divers. Their distinctive spotted patterns make them easily recognizable. These spots are not just for show. They play a crucial role in helping scientists track and study individual sharks. When swimming near the surface, they appear to be basking in the sunlight, but they are actually feeding on surface plankton. This behavior brings them closer to human observation, providing valuable insights into their habits and lifestyles. Additionally, their tendency to inhabit warm, tropical waters makes them a favorite among ecotourists who travel the world hoping to catch a glimpse of these gentle giants. Fact 4. Unique patterns. Each whale shark has a unique pattern of spots and stripes, much like human fingerprints. Researchers use these patterns to identify and track individual whale sharks. This method, called photo identification, involves taking photographs of the shark's left and right sides and matching the patterns using specialized software. The uniqueness of each pattern helps scientists monitor migration patterns, population sizes, and even individual health. It's a non-invasive way to learn more about these gentle giants without disturbing their natural behavior. This method has revolutionized our understanding of whale shark populations, allowing researchers to track the movements and habits of these elusive creatures over long periods. Fact 5. Great migrators. Whale sharks are known for their long migrations. They travel thousands of miles across oceans, moving between feeding grounds and breeding sites. These epic journeys are still a mystery to scientists. Some whale sharks have been tracked traveling from the coast of Africa to the waters of Indonesia, covering distances of over 8,000 miles. Their migrations are believed to be influenced by changes in water temperature, food availability, and breeding cycles. Understanding these migration patterns is crucial for their conservation, as it helps identify critical habitats that need protection. These journeys also highlight the interconnectedness of marine ecosystems and the need for international cooperation in conservation efforts. Fact 6. Endangered species. Sadly, whale sharks are listed as endangered. Overfishing, habitat loss, and climate change are major threats to their survival. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these ocean giants. Organizations around the world are working tirelessly to raise awareness and implement protective measures. This includes creating marine protected areas, regulating fishing practices, and conducting research to better understand their behavior and needs. Community involvement is also key, with local fishermen and coastal communities playing a vital role in conservation efforts. Efforts like ecotourism, where communities benefit economically from protecting rather than exploiting these animals, are proving to be effective in some regions. Fact 7. Aquarium ambassadors. A few whale sharks are kept in large aquariums around the world, where they serve as ambassadors for their species. These aquariums play a vital role in education and conservation by providing visitors with the chance to see whale sharks up close. Aquariums foster a deeper appreciation and understanding of these magnificent creatures. They also participate in breeding programs and research projects that contribute to global conservation efforts. While some debate the ethics of keeping such large animals in captivity, these facilities are instrumental in raising awareness and funding for whale shark conservation. They provide a controlled environment for studying whale sharks, which can lead to breakthroughs in our understanding of their biology and needs. Fact 8. Tiny teeth. Despite their massive size, whale sharks have tiny teeth, each less than an inch long. Incredibly, they have around 3,000 of these tiny teeth, arranged in over 300 rows. However, they don't use these teeth to eat. Instead, they rely on their gill rakers to filter food from the water. Their teeth are considered vestigial, meaning they are remnants of evolutionary history. It's fascinating to think that such a large animal has such small, seemingly useless teeth. These teeth might have been more useful to their ancestors, but today they serve little purpose other than to remind us of the long evolutionary journey of this incredible species. Fact 9. Solitary swimmers. Whale sharks are mostly solitary creatures, though they occasionally gather in groups to feed. These aggregations, often seen in places like Mexico and Australia, are a spectacular sight. During these gatherings, which can involve hundreds of individuals, whale sharks take advantage of abundant food resources, such as spawning events of fish and coral. These events provide a rare opportunity for scientists to study whale shark behavior in a social context, offering insights into their feeding strategies, social structures, and interactions with other marine life. Observing these aggregations helps researchers understand how whale sharks communicate and navigate during feeding frenzies. Fact 10. Harmless to humans. Despite their immense size, whale sharks are completely harmless to humans. Swimming with these gentle giants is a bucket list experience for many ocean enthusiasts and divers. Their calm and slow-moving nature makes them ideal companions for underwater exploration. Divers are often struck by the serene presence of these massive creatures, creating unforgettable memories and fostering a deep connection with the ocean. It's important, however, to approach them with respect and caution, maintaining a safe distance to avoid causing them stress or harm. Responsible tourism practices are essential to ensure that these encounters are sustainable and do not negatively impact the whale sharks or their habitat. Fact 11. Camouflage kings. While whale sharks are known for their distinctive spots and stripes, these patterns also serve a practical purpose: camouflage. The light spots and stripes on their dark blue-gray skin help them blend in with the dappled sunlight filtering through the water, making it harder for predators and prey to spot them. This form of camouflage is particularly effective in the open ocean, where shadows and light play on the water's surface. This natural adaptation helps them stay safe and hunt more effectively. Fact 12. Symbiotic relationships. Whale sharks often have a variety of smaller fish, such as remoras and pilotfish, swimming alongside them. These fish benefit from the whale shark by feeding on parasites and leftover food particles, while the whale shark benefits from the cleaning services these fish provide. This mutually beneficial relationship is a perfect example of symbiosis in the marine world. The smaller fish gain protection by staying close to the large, gentle giant, and the whale shark enjoys a cleaner. Fact 13. Deep divers. While often seen near the surface, whale sharks are capable of diving to depths of over 4,000 feet. These deep dives may be related to feeding, avoiding predators, or finding optimal breeding conditions. The ability to dive to such depths allows them to access different food sources and avoid potential threats. These dives also provide valuable information about the vertical distribution of marine life and the conditions of the deep ocean. Fact 14. Scarred survivors. Many whale sharks bear scars from encounters with boats, fishing gear, and even predators. These scars tell a story of survival and resilience, highlighting the challenges these gentle giants face in the wild. Each scar provides researchers with clues about the shark's history and interactions. Understanding these encounters helps in developing strategies to reduce human impacts and improve conservation efforts, despite the threats. Fact 15. High-tech tracking. Scientists use satellite tags to track whale sharks and gather data on their movements, behavior, and habitats. This technology has revolutionized our understanding of these elusive creatures, providing insights that are crucial for their conservation. Tags can record data on water temperature, depth, and location, which helps scientists piece together the migratory patterns and habits of whale sharks. This information is vital for creating effective conservation plans and protecting critical habitats. Fact 16. Largest mouth in the ocean. The mouth of a whale shark can stretch up to 5 feet wide. Despite its enormous size, their throat is only the size of a quarter, meaning they can't swallow large objects. This unique anatomical feature underscores their status as filter feeders, allowing them to efficiently process vast quantities of tiny prey like plankton and small fish. Their mouth is a marvel of evolutionary adaptation, perfectly suited to their feeding habits and lifestyle. Fact 17. Nighttime feeders. While whale sharks are often seen feeding during the day, they are also known to feed at night. During nocturnal feeding, they follow plankton, which rises to the surface under the cover of darkness. This behavior is a testament to their adaptability and ability to exploit various food sources. Observing their nighttime feeding habits provides scientists with a fuller understanding of their ecological role and feeding strategies. Fact 18. Global presence. Whale sharks are found in all tropical and warm temperate seas, making them a truly global species. They inhabit a range of environments from coastal to open ocean, showcasing their incredible adaptability. This wide distribution highlights the importance of international cooperation in their conservation. Protecting whale sharks requires coordinated efforts across borders, as these majestic creatures don't recognize human-imposed boundaries. Fact 19. Vulnerable to boat strikes. One of the significant threats to whale sharks is boat strikes. Due to their slow movement and tendency to swim near the surface, they are at high risk of being hit by vessels. Efforts are being made to raise awareness among boat operators and implement measures such as speed restrictions in known whale shark habitats. Reducing boat strikes is crucial for the survival of these gentle giants, as even minor injuries can have severe consequences for their health and well-being. Fact 20. Slow swimmers. Whale sharks are relatively slow swimmers, cruising at speeds of around 3 miles per hour. Their leisurely pace is perfectly suited to their feeding habits and allows them to conserve energy while covering long distances during migrations. Despite their slow speed, they are capable of quick bursts when necessary, demonstrating their versatility. Their slow, graceful movement through the water is a sight to behold and a reminder of the gentle, unhurried rhythm of the ocean. There you have it, 20 amazing facts about the majestic whale shark. These incredible ocean creatures remind us of the beauty and wonder that lies beneath the waves. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of whale sharks, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep-sea adventures. Thanks for watching.